Hey guys, I'm back. Let's talk about Kubernetes secret. So secrets can be defined as Kubernetes object used to store sensitive data such as username and password with encryption. Now there are multiple ways of creating secrets in Kubernetes. First, creating from text files, second, creating from YAML files. So let's talk separately for both of these scenarios. Now, creating from text file. In order to create secrets from a text file such as username and password, we first need to store them in a text file and use the following command, as you can see on the screen right now. Creating from YAML file. Now, if we want to create from YAML file, here is the code which you can see on the screen. Creating the secret is here you have that. Now, using secrets, once we have created the secret, it can be consumed in a pod or the replication controller as environment variable or volume. Now, as environment variable, in order to use the secret as environment volume, environment variable, my apologies, we will use env under the spec section of pod YAML file. Let's quickly go to the next screen. Yeah, so on the left hand side, if you see at the top, so this is the code we would be using for the same. Now if we want to use as a volume, then this is the code which we would be using. Now secret configuration as environment variable is what we have we will be using like this. Yeah, so in the above code, which is on the right hand side, under the env definition, we are using secrets as environment variable in the replication controller. Now secret as a volume mount. So we would be using this code for the same. Give me a second guys, sorry. Yeah, we would be using this code for secrets as volume mount. So these are the most basic codes which we would be using for secrets. In the next lecture we would be talking about the network policy. Until then, I'm taking a pause again, so thank you very much.